Guys, check out this Kooks cab back system. It's called a shotgun by Kooks. See Kooks right there. So it's got resonators there. It looks like a shotgun barrel there and there. And then it's got valves on this side to make a straight pipe there and there. It's pretty cool. Completely different, as you guys can see. And the valve, it works off the valves that are already on the car. So you don't have to do anything, but just hook it all up. It's a complete system, by the way. Look, he installed it. He brought it to us. He's like, it's not, I couldn't tighten them down enough, so we used our guns and tightened them down for him. But he's got high flow Kooks cats, long tube headers. It's a full system. It's cool. It's a good looking system with an X pipe and above over the rear axle. And there's the shotgun Kooks system. All right, so we tightened the bolts, got it all situated, showed you what it looks like under there. Ready to hear it, guys? Here we go. Go ahead. This is with valves open, by the way. This is idle. Right at 81. All right, rev it. Oh my God, boy, this sounds good. Now it sounds better. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. That's only at 4,000 RPM, guys. It's 113. Got a nice idle to it, too. Go ahead and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. Sexy Z06 Corvette. I always love this body style of them. I like the two-tone he did on that. Oh, look at that carbon fiber hood. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's clean. Updated lights. Wheels are clean. Go ahead. Idle for you guys. Let you guys hear on the inside. Check out this, guys. This is his headlights. They change colors through an app on his phone. Everything's becoming an app. Check it out. Oh, that's sick. So you have a color wheel, basically. It's Tim. You know what you need next. Chevy Corvette Z06. What year is it?
2008.
2008. Full Kooks. Long tube headers. He said the whole system cost him around $5,000 to all said and done between labor, and he put on the cap back, but the headers and stuff cost him around $5,000 with the exhaust, with the cost of the headers, the exhaust and everything. So just for context.